Lola, what are you doing?
Where you going?
Why did you come back here? Why did you come back?
Come back.
Huh? Why did you come back?
I where did you come back? I did. I come back there.
Why?
Here. Because I am nag-iisa doon. I am nag-iisa doon. Hindi ako kumambak lang.
Hi, where's Mama Del?
Mama dahil, andi na sa dali.
English speaking only.
You're here. Punta sa Manila, si Delia.
English only.
Well, I am English pa. I know that English. I am not good in English.
You're not good in English?
Oh,
Come on,